How to change your app drawer to alphabetical order on Android. This tutorial shows you how to switch it from the default page layout to a vertical, alphabetically sorted list. First, go to your home screen and long press on any empty area. From there, a menu will pop up at the bottom. After that, tap Home Screen Settings. At this point, make sure Home Screen Layout is set to Home Screen and App Screen, since this ensures your device has a separate app drawer to work with. Following this, go to your app drawer. From here, tap the three dots at the bottom right. At this stage, tap Sort. Following this, tap Alphabetical Order. By default, your app drawer shows apps arranged in horizontal, swipeable pages, but selecting alphabetical order switches that layout to a vertical scroll instead, with everything sorted A to Z. That's how you change your app drawer to alphabetical order on Android. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.